Okay, so now we're going to resume with the second question of the binomial probability. The question reads, Ira ran out of time while taking a multiple choice test and plans to guess in the last 6 questions. Each question has 4 possible choices on which is correct. Let X the number of answers Ira correctly guesses in the last 6 questions. What is the probability he answers fewer than 2 questions correctly in the last 6 questions? You may round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So again, like the other problem, you're going to have to be looking for 3 values, P, N, and X. P is going to be the probability of success of that trial, and is usually seen in the problem as an actual percentage or as a ratio. So in this case, it's being looked at as a ratio. She is looking at questions, and of the multiple choice, there's 4 possibilities, but obviously one of them is correct. So the ratio is 1 to 4. 1 to 4, 1 divided by 4 is 0.25, which is 25%. So that is going to be the probability of success. So you're now going to move over to the probability calculator, and you're going to put 0.25. Now, going back to the question, it's asking about N, the number of trials. As it says, Aria is running late. She's running out of time, and she only has 6 questions left to guess on. So that means that's the number of questions left. That's the maximum that she can go. So those are the number of trials that she has. So we go back to the calculator. Under number of trials, you're going to put a number 6. Now we're going to be looking for the number of successes. So out of the 6 questions, we're trying to see what are the possibilities if she gets fewer than 2 questions correct. So in that case, it'd be 2. You go to the probability calculator, you put 2, and then you calculate, and this is the values that you get. But now we need to go back into the question and look at what type of probability are we looking at. Is it greater than, less than, equal to? We're not exactly sure. So going back into the question, it says fewer than. So that means it's going to be the less than sign. And you can look here. It kind of gives you away what they're looking for right here, if you can't figure it out by the words right here. So we're going to scroll down, and right here matches what the word problem was asking us to look for. So it asks us to round it to the nearest hundredth. So it says 0.5339 and a lot of other numbers. We're going to round it to the hundredth, so it's going to be 0.53. Go here. We're going to enter the value. And we got it correct.